Yeah, we were very successful, as you know, earlier this year with a 40-hole program being permitted on the BLM property. We actually believe that this is the root of the system where generally the mineralization came from, and then it flowed out from here.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Mike Stark. He is the CEO of Arizona Gold and Silver. And Mike, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Very well, Steve. Nice to see you as well.
Yeah, so a couple of pretty big pieces of news out from the company. First off, you were able to close off your non-brokered private placement, and it was very successful. Lots of people wanting to get involved in it, Mike.
Yeah, Steve, it was very successful and very fortunately as well. Again, kudos to the support of existing shareholders and family and friends category. They really stepped up, management as well. And I certainly welcome our new addition to shareholder, and that is the Sprott Group and Rick Rule as well.
Yeah, so about $4.6 million, and a lot of that will obviously go into working on the Philadelphia project. And that's the other big piece of news is the fact that you're on site with preparations for drilling.
Yeah, we were very successful, as you know, earlier this year with a 40-hole program being permitted on the BLM property. We actually believe that this is the root of the system where generally the mineralization came from, and then it flowed out from here. So the program's going to consist starting with 4 fan holes and then move over, do another 4, and then we'll go likely over to site 2, which is a secondary site, and do the same thing there, showing the continuity as we go down deeper into the system.
Yeah, this area you're targeting is called Red Hills, and you've done some geochemical work and physical work and all that, and that's why you're sort of starting at this particular area, right?
Absolutely. The previous results around this area have been literally fantastic. Over 100 meters thick, 1+ gram material, and we've only drilled shallow. So these holes now will go to 1,000 or beyond. The reason I say beyond is the beauty of that. Mark and Greg likely on the rig. If they see what they like, we'll just continue. I mean, we have the capability with this rig, this core rig, to go to some really deep depths, 15, 1,600 feet if it's necessary.
Yeah, Mike, you mentioned that it's going to be 4 holes to begin with, and then sort of see where you're at results wise and things like that before you decide if you're going to continue in that area before you move.
Yeah, the beauty is that we will know just by what we see if we're into the system. And then again, to step over, move it over, and hit another fan of 4 holes again. Um, it's really, we're very confident. Obviously, we wouldn't be drilling here if it wasn't confident. And I'm excited to see the results. Everything going well, Steve. We should have maybe 1, possibly 2 holes. That's a big possibly on number 2 before Christmas, giving shareholders a very nice Christmas present.
All right, well, we'll see what that says. Mike, thanks so much. Good to see you again. We'll talk soon, okay?
Sounds great. Thank you.
All right, Mike Stark, the CEO of Arizona Gold and Silver.